Hi folks, Lee here at Tom and Jerry's Boats. I'm standing by the new Hughescraft 290 Adventure. I'm just going to give you a quick overview of this boat so you kind of have an idea what you're looking at here. This boat alone on the hull, it weighs 8,500 pounds. This thing is a beast and it's a real game changer for Hughescraft. Has a 5/16 inch chine here attached to the 1/4 inch bottom. So this is a boat that you can literally take anywhere you want. It could almost be an icebreaker in Alaska. This thing is a beast. Along with the dual welded rub rails, as you move forward in the boat, it has a 55-degree bow. This thing is truly designed to handle some big water. As you can see, it also comes with a bow thruster. It makes it easy to dock, even though it is a large boat. Of course, on any boat of this size, you're going to have self-bailing cockpit, trim tabs, and a large extended transom. Maximum horsepower on this boat is 600, so you can power it up and load up the family and kids and fuel and go anywhere you want. As you can see, the boat comes standard on a galvanized easy load trailer. It's a triple axle trailer, oil bath hubs, LED tail lights, slick bunk pads. It's a 13,500 pound trailer, so more than adequate to handle the load anywhere you want to take it. You can see the cockpit here is very well appointed for the fisherman or the cruiser. You have the optional 29-inch overhang here, which makes it pretty nice on a rainy day. You don't have to stand out in the rain when you're fishing. The beam on this boat is just under 10 feet, which is really incredible. You have a ton of deck space out here to work with. 3 large fish boxes with pump outs on them. It's a very easy boat to fish out of. You can keep it clean. Diamond plate floor is nice. If you do crabbing or shrimping, you're not going to ding up the vinyl floor that's standard in a lot of other boats. The rear helm, this particular one has electronic controls, dual controls for the mains as well as a throttle control for the kicker. So this can be set up however you want, really. This one has a bow thruster control here as well, so you can control your bow thruster from the rear helm when you're docking. Makes it kind of nice. Cup holders, most important part of the boat, of course. The entry into this boat is a very nice, solid door. You'll be very comfortable in this boat. It's very quiet when the door is closed. This one happens to have the optional Dutch door, which is really nice. On a nice day, you can keep it open and get a breeze in there. Also has a hand wash station here for you fishermen. You can wipe your hands off after you're done touching the bait, and it just makes it handy. You don't have to go inside and get the inside of your boat dirty. This one has optional stereo in it with speakers outside. You've got 2 nice bright LED lights for running at night or early in the morning when you leave. As we move to the interior of the boat, a couple of things that are nice to know. You've got a 42-gallon fresh water tank, which is plenty to spend days out on the water if you like. It has a hydronic heating system, which heats water in a closed system, basically, and it runs it through a radiator, very similar to your car. So you'll stay warm all the time, and it's a very even heat in the boat. Also has defrost vents, so you can hop right in and go whenever you like. It's got a nice big fridge here with a freezer in it, stainless door. You've got a nice sink here to work with, a nice faucet, and it's really very nice. It's almost like a motorhome. You can spend a lot of time in here. Also has a Wallace diesel cooktop, so you can put your Dutch oven on here. You can boil water. You can do whatever you like. So it's made to spend some time on. Nice privacy curtains all around, so if you're at a dock, you can close everything up. This particular boat happens to have the mahogany wood finish interior. You can also get the lighter color hickory if you want. It's got a nice big dinette table. 4 people can sit here quite comfortably. You have cup holders, and it just works really well. Nice heavy-duty captain seat for the driver. Very ergonomically friendly. Your gauges can go right here. You can get a larger 16-inch gauge here if you want. You can get 2 12s side by side. Your engine gauge is right here. Everything's very, very easy to use. Bow thruster control. Windlass control is right here on the dash as well, so everything is controlled from inside the boat. Trim tabs. All your electronic switches and gauges are right here. Everything's very easy to use. Great visibility for a big boat. You can see all around. And you feel very safe in this boat, which is really Hughescraft's mantra, as everybody knows. The boat does also come with recoverable flotation, which is Hughescraft's standard in all their big boats. So it's important to know if you have your family out in the middle of the water, out in the ocean, when you can't see land, you start looking at your engines and thinking about your boat. It's nice to know that a boat like this has that flotation in it. The bathroom, or the head if you want to call it, in this boat is down below here in the front. I guess we'll call it the bow. Plenty of room in there to wash up, do whatever you need to do. The sleeping area in here is huge. 2 people can sit in here comfortably. You've got plenty of lighting. All your switches are right here. USB ports, heat vent, and a stereo control in here as well. Along with the 42-gallon fresh water tank, the boat has a 250-gallon fuel tank. So with almost any 4-stroke engine package you want to put on here, you have a great range. It's really designed to go a long ways. Of course, the Hughescraft hulls come with a lifetime warranty, and they stand behind their product very well. I've been selling Hughescrafts for almost 14 years now. Everybody makes a good boat. I have nothing bad to say about any of them, but I will say this: Hughescraft does seem to give you more boat for your dollar. So I'm really sold on Hughescraft. Like I said, I like them all. I've ridden in most of them, but I like Hughescraft, the way they treat people and the quality of their products. So here at Tom and Jerry's, we take pride in our work, in our quality, in our service people. So I would love to have you guys come down here. I'd be happy to take you through the boat, show it to you, go over pricing. It's just really an incredible boat for a family who wants to get out and spend some time comfortably. So thank you so much.